The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Introduction to Abacus. Abacus is a device used by visually impaired children for doing basic mathematical calculations. Abacus is rectangular in shape. However, there are different types of abacuses available in the market. Some abacuses are very useful for young sighted children as they are colorful and invite the attention of children. Let me show you different types of abacuses and you will see which one will be most useful for visually impaired children. I have with me 4 different types of abacuses. Let me take the first one. It is an abacus with 17 columns or rods. Each rod is treated as a column. In the second abacus, we have 15 rods, and in the third abacus, we have 13 rods. Though the basic operations remain the same, irrespective of which type of abacus we use, but in doing calculations involving fractions, the number of rods matters, and we shall explain those things when we come to the actual exercises. Let us take these abacuses, and the beads stay intact when you keep them on a flat surface. When you take them and hold vertically, the beads do not stay in a particular position. Look at this abacus, which is also rectangular in shape and has 15 rods, but this one is not slim like the other ones. Secondly, there is enough space for moving the beads back and forth. That will be very much necessary for visually impaired students, as the adequate space between the beads helps the child with visual impairment to detect its exact position and place value. Thirdly, there is a cushion-like layer kept below the beads, and the back portion of the abacus is fully covered, which restricts the free movement of the beads. The cushion at the back keeps the beads wherever they are, irrespective of in what direction you move the abacus. You can see now that the positions of the beads on this abacus are not changing, though the abacus is moved in different directions. Another feature of this abacus is that the width of the abacus is longer than the width of the abacuses that we use with sighted children. This is designed to ensure that the hands of the child cover the full abacus in most cases, and this control over the device is helpful for the child with visual impairment to do the operations effectively. Hope you have understood why visually impaired children use a special abacus which is different from the abacuses that we use with sighted children. You will learn the efficacy of this abacus when we start doing more exercises.